What up, y'all? Mel Baby back with a snack time. Eating chat? No, I don't do eating chats over here. So this is snack time. How y'all doing? Today I'm eating for the first time ever JJ's chicken and fish and chicken. One of them. I don't know. I know it's JJ's though. And I have of course chicken with fries. Um, you're not gonna be able to see all the time because as it starts disappearing, you're gonna see bread. What you told him? Don't put my pickles on here. It didn't come with it. Excuse me. Of course, I'm talking to Keisha. Hey y'all. She opted out. She wanted to sit on the side. My clothes start not to fit right. It's a good thing. And I'm gonna try this chicken from JJ's Fish and Chicken. Let me see my grace. Then I start. God is good. God is great. Thanks for the meal we're about to receive. Bless your holy name. Bless the prayers. Amen. Amen. And they have whole wings, as you can see. And they're not turkey wings. You know what I mean by turkey wings are those big old wings that's just huge for nothing. The wing look like a leg, and you know, you know. On the side, I'm drinking some ginger ale, Canada Dry. But I'm also going to try this chamoy on my chicken. You're going to have to excuse the flying rats. Not the ones with feathers, but the one with wings. Because we had the door open and we cut the air off. It's starting to get a little warm in here. And so they started swarming. Um, I've been religiously beating them down with the fly swatter, but it's just not working. Look like I killed two, here come three. I'm just gonna put this on the side though. Yeah, right here so y'all can see it. Yeah, I'm not gonna drown my chicken in something I don't know. That would be crazy of me. Um, so I put the chamoy there, a little ketchup. And let's dig in. So, yeah, I hear with you. Now don't cry about what I take. You offer. Don't you hate that when people offer you and you take more than they expected? Yes. But you offered. And they start crying. There's no reason. She got the whole catfish. Mm. This fish. Of course, a little crispy. Maybe I need to get fillets. Did you get fillets? No. Right here, the skin's still on there. It went. Yo, dog. Hey, come on. Well, let me try plain first. That's a shame. It took me 4 minutes just to get into my food. What is the chamoy? What is this? It's a I can't explain it. Bread from the Mexican market. All right. I did not like it on fruit. Well, I didn't like it on mango and apple. Mm, I couldn't even taste it. I hate when my food get cold. Mm-mm. It's not what it's cracked up to be. It was not good on that fry. I couldn't taste it on the chicken. I'm watching Secret Obsession. What happened was I sat down, I got ready, and I was about to film. I put my movie on, had my food ready. Oh yeah. And was about to get at it. My mechanic popped up at the door. So had to go ahead and shoot the breeze with him for a second. And I came back. Food that got kind of cold. What is it about black people and chicken? You know what I mean, right? He got KFC. He was waiting on me. It's a good thing I just went around the block and didn't take no joyride because he was waiting on me. Talk about where my keys. I ain't got your keys. They got to be in there on the floor or something in his pockets. Let's see. I only dabbed a little bit because I was kind of afraid of this. I did not like it on the mango at all. It just ruined the taste of the mango to me. Maybe I need to find out how this is made and make my own. But it's a plum sauce. It smells just like plum. It smells so good till you put it in your mouth. I don't care for that. When I um when I left, the girl was running away from being beat down or something. I come back, she in the hospital. Now I look up, she going home with her husband. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to watch this over from the beginning. She keep having flashbacks. Oh no. I could have sworn I said give me a 5-star. Cause y'all would just have to excuse me. You ain't getting by my plate like that. And you land close enough, it's over for you. Yeah, I said it. You don't act like I'm the only one that ever killed a fly while he was eating. At least I ain't using my hand. At least I ain't kill it on my chicken. I'm just saying. This is how my grandma used to make fried chicken. Just that she wouldn't let hers get dark as this. I was talking about my grandma earlier today, about last night with Dwayne. Dwayne was like, how did you use the phone back then? You was just stand up on the wall all that time. I was like, no, dummy. You pull the chair up to the fucking wall. You know, you don't stand up there. And if you was good, you had that 25-foot, 50-foot cord, and you drag that mug around with you. He was like, what? I said, unless you was at my grandma's house, because my grandma was like, don't be moving my phone. I was like, that was so she could listen to your conversation, knows it. I could have pushed that till you short on. My grandma was good for that. Don't you move my phone. Really? You literally have the phone sitting next to you on this little table, in between your table and a rocking chair. I'm like, I'm almost sitting on your lap to use the phone. This ain't right. I was so glad when colorless phones came in and my parents brought one. Then you ain't have to bring that phone all around with you, all that wire. Then my mama refused to let us have phones in our room. So if you wanted to get on the phone, you had to drag all that wire with you all the way. Wait, first she was slick. She ain't give you all that wire. I went to the beauty store one day and I saw that 50-foot cord. I was like, we got a new cord phone. Grandparents me. My mama's phone call was only like maybe 12 feet. Which means you could get away a little bit. But you were gonna stay in the room. Oh, the kitchen phone that hung on the wall, they had that long cord, like maybe 6 feet or so, and you stretch it out to like 10, and you go sit in the bathroom. That's what we used to do. We'll stretch that mug, go to the bathroom, slide it up under that door. Yeah. Not really realizing we amplifying our conversation. But that's what we did in the kitchen. My mama didn't start, I don't know what made her get the cordless phone. She got the cordless phone and the caller ID around the same time. And she just got the caller ID to be nosy. Who calling who? Who that is calling for you? I don't need you to tell me no more. Oh, that's viral. Okay, that's Nisha calling. Man, come on, that's nosy as heck. And I kid you not. I went to the beauty store, so I had 25-foot cord. That was all she wrote. I hooked that on the living room phone. And I used to hide the wire from my mom. How you hit it? When I wasn't using it, my mama usually had this TV stand. And you put the phone book and it had a little cabinet at the bottom. I cut a little hole through the cabinet, put the phone wire through there. And when I wasn't using it, I just roll up all that wire and hide it in the cabinet. She ain't find out about it until she got to the cell phone. The cordless phone. And was wondering where all that wire comes from. But then I'm saying that, but I had a little sister like D. And what's happening? Snitch, snitch, snitch. Mama, you know they this. Mama, you know they that. Oh no. You was snitching ass on. Some shit I could see telling them. But no phone wire, you ain't gotta do that. What you laughing at?
You ain't gotta do that.
You don't. I could see if I was having parties every day after school when I came home. Because I knew what time my mama was going to be there. Especially on the day she'd be like, I'm going to work late today. Really?
Did she ever tell y'all they didn't came home early?
No.
So you could have missed that.
Whenever she said she was working late, most times she did. Look, my friends in high school were squares. Not going to give me a party. When they said they was going home, they was going home. I'm saying that, but I wish I'd have listened to them now. I didn't say too much about the drinking. You know, you don't mind cool after school every now and then. Bottles and James. I don't even do bottles and James no more. A good blackberry wine cooler, that was my crap right there. Mm-mm. Can't fight that. I don't know what I'm doing for dinner. I know I'm doing beans.
Hey, TV.
You hear that yellow bird?
Come on. What?
Mm. The thing that's funny to me about this place here, okay, you're frying chicken, you're frying fish, you're frying potatoes, but you really had to come on with the wheat bread? That was wrong. Well, we just want to give you a little fiber. Don't say JJ it ain't healthy for you.
What you doing?
Told you I was gonna eat all four of these wings. They're like Popeye wings. But it don't make no sense to me. Well, what you come in here for? And who is that?
That's the man next door. That's over there.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to watch this more again. Keisha talking about that's the man that saw it happen. So what happened?
What was going on with her?
I'ma watch it again. Oh my Lord. You done killed this man. She wake up looking for her husband. He ain't even know. You see what's going on? Oh yeah, she do. Now I need to go. After I finish eating this, I need to go back outside and turn my van back around. I need to wash them tires. You tried to go meet him. My mechanic that it is to buy another van. But when I went to saw the van, it wasn't worth it to me. It's younger than my van, but it got more miles than my van. Then they did some cutting out stuff. Like the other one have Cadillac converters. They cut them out and just pipe them in. They ghetto rig them. The Allstate man. And it was the color I wanted and everything. But when I went and looked at the interior, called me shallow. I didn't want it.
Get up and get up.
He gonna tell me something. Uh, that band got electric, automatic doors, and all that crap.
Go ahead.
All right, well, when you come back to do whatever you come back to do, I do mine riding around with a black door on a white van. What? What? You thought I was gonna bring you to work? Catch me next week.
Come and take it. Okay.
Everything like coming together on. Then she missed her follow-up visit at the doctor. They don't put flags up at the doctors.
Mm.
I've been beat down. They have to go home literally in a wheelchair. I missed my follow-up appointment and you don't send nobody or nothing to check on me. What's going on? You know?
Right.
Security camera. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I can see if she went on the county. This girl ain't go to the doctor on the county. I don't know. After I finish this, I'm gonna have to be diligent about that fly swatter.
And about this?
Hmm.
And about this?
I don't know. He should have had me. I'm like, oh, you watch on Netflix. It's sex. I ain't make it like that. I didn't make these movies. Netflix doing that. Orange is the New Black. Came back today. I will be on it tonight after I watch this. Keisha ain't into that Orange is the New Black, so I ain't watching.
He was waiting on Supernatural.
But
Oh.
he leaving her upstairs. No wonder she ain't answering the phone or nothing.
Mm-hmm.
That's
He bring it down every now and again.
He bring it down every now and then. Mm. I heard been scooted down himself.
She about to try it now. Girl, just sit down.
I said scooted. She trying to walk down with a cane. Girl. That look dangerous.
Gonna sit down.
Oh, there you go. I knew it was gonna happen. What she got back up?
She didn't fall. She didn't fall all the way. You know, she just like she was about to fall.
Where's her physical therapy at?
Exactly. She don't have none.
Huh?
She don't have any.
She got a broken leg.
Yeah, but she don't have any physical therapy. I think he's told them that he was gonna just take care of her. You know.
That's flags all the way. And this ain't even TV one.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
They got this movie on TV one. I want to see it. Everybody just, man, it's like a fatal attraction, but they turned it into a movie. And he's just real possessive and jealous and abusive, all kind of stuff. I'm like, baby, why didn't you believe? And her family, from the previews, all her family been telling her, you need to get out, you need to get out. Oh no, he just loves me. Not like that, he don't.
But did you see the one about the Uber driver that got killed?
No.
It's on TV one.
Really?
Yeah, it's about an Uber driver that got killed, and his best friend, she trying to find out what happened. And his wife was like, she said, he's my best friend. She said, well, he's my husband. And the best friend trying to, you know, show proof that the wife killed him for the money. I got to go and look it up because I want to see that.
Well, did you see the news this morning about the Uber driver in Dallas that got beat down in February? My thing is, why are you just saying something about it now? And it really beat him down, broke his jaw and everything. Look, he walking up. What you doing down here? Oh. Look, he calls the servers on her phone.
He brought her to the mountains. Well, the only service is outside.
Because he ain't let her get to that computer, you saw? Oh. He cut off services on her phone. I'm going to just stop watching this because I want to watch this video. I don't know, you want these fries? You want the fries? Me neither. I don't want these fries person. Here then. I see you over there in the corner. Like, yeah, I want them. You don't want to take them? I'll take them up. Yeah, come right here right quick. Fry this fry in the chamoy. Tell me I'm eye tripping.
You can try this too. Wait.
Come over. Come over. You like that?
No, not really.
Me neither. Don't waste your chicken.
Yeah, don't waste your chicken. But you give it to me though.
But you can't taste it on the chicken. Oh well, I'm done, y'all. And we just hit 30 minutes, so I'm about to get out of here. I'm about to go ahead home, get my fly swatter, and rewind this movie and turn it up so I can hear it. But it been getting good. And
It started off good.
yeah, it did. It started off with her running for her life. And Keisha was up there. I don't want to watch that. You just pick up some of the messed up. I keep telling you, girl, I can pick a good movie.
I ain't feel that.
All right. Thank y'all for watching. Till next time, peace, love, and hair grease. Tonight
Sometime.
we going live on a walk in a fat woman's shoes. If you done made it this far,
Lately, you've been doing it.
matter of fact, if you made it this far, you already know that. Because I know it's majority of my faithfuls that's going to watch to the end. But if not, if you're new or if you're just passing through, I'm Mel Baby. I'm part of a walk in the fat woman's shoes. And that is like my main channel. I just do what I do on here every now and then. You know, play around with the kids, play with my cars and stuff like that. And I go live on Thursday night. So until next time, y'all, peace, love, and hair grease. And you have fun. You have fun with your family, but responsibly. And till next time, peace, love, and hair grease. Later.